Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to install the LED backlight on the Sharp, which is 18.1 inch display. It's pretty old LCD display. The screen number is called LQ181E1DG11 LED upgrade kit. This is the original CCF assembly that from a LQ181E1DG11. This is our LED kits, upgrade kits, and this is the original inverters that plug in the original lamp here, that from LQ181E-DG. So this pin number is same as so our LED kit, including one wire adapters. Basically, you just after you install the LED strip, you just disconnect the existing wire harness and connect to our wire adapter. It should work. To upgrade to LED is quite simple. And this is the LED, the two lamps here. The easiest way I would suggest that, and just using a wire cutter, cut off this wire, take it out, and then just put our LED strip back to the same location. You see, that's the easiest way. But of course, if you want to try to take out this one and take all the wires, you can do that. But it's quite easy because there's some plastic latch. If you do it, sometimes you might damage it. Sorry, this one I damage it. See, so basically the way to open it, it's like on the top. Okay, just like this. Let me get the. You see the click here. So you open up like this. Remember the wires on this side. Okay, so just take it out. Okay, there you go. You take it out. Take the wire out. Okay, take the lamp out. Remember the wires on this side. Okay, so you just peel off this double side tape and just stick to it. You can just peel off and see, just like this, and then you're gonna put it back, and then put it back to this aluminum holders. Just put it back to the screen. The wires come out from this side. Okay, all right. It's quite straightforward. It's quite simple. And thank you for watching.